Alright, to start off with your Valentine's Day banner, you're going to want some pink or red construction paper. Pink or red construction paper. And you're going to want to fold it in half. Grab some sort of marking. And draw only a half of a heart. And you're going to want to take your scissors and cut on that line. Best if you can. Alright, and you've got your first heart. Then you just make as many of these as you want. Alrighty, next you're going to want to take your yarn and a hot glue gun. Take one of your hearts, and start off my pink one. I'm just going to place it there, see where I'm supposed to put it. Then just glue that piece of yarn. And then I like to glue this side of it. And then I just got to place it down directly on the yarn. Make sure it doesn't get stuck to your paper. So you wouldn't want that. And then, if you want, you can take some puffy paint. I'm choosing this red one. I'm going to write love. L-O-V-E. Love you. There. Now you're just going to want to do that all the way down to your yarn. Alrighty, well that's drying. I chose to do some different colors and sizes. So I'm going to take this red heart and on the yarn, if you want, you can just glue your heart. Just go like that. Could be easier. Yeah. And you've got that. And I'm going to take my white puffy paint. I'm just going to doodle on that one too. I'm going to do swirlies. That one's not going to be right. There you go. And still. And you can just do that all the way down. And then you're done. And then on my letter, I just took the extra hearts from my banner and taped them there so it looked like they were climbing up. For this Valentine's sign, I just took a white piece of paper, printer paper, this red marker, and I'm writing Valentine needed. And then you're done. Just hang it up on your door.